Are you looking to dive into 360 content but don't want to spend $400 or $500? Then I might have the perfect fit for you. If I've done my research correctly, the Samsung Gear 360 is the cheapest 360 camera you can buy. In fact, I've seen it being sold on eBay for even $20 at times. So let's take a closer look at some of the ways I've been able to use this camera. Now, before you go ahead and jump at the deal, there are some things to be aware of. So Samsung has completely discontinued all development of the Gear 360. That means that there won't be any more software updates henceforth. Whatever they have out right now is the latest and last version that's ever going to exist. So depending on the type of computer you have or phone you have, the apps or desktop softwares may or may not work for you, which could make this essentially a very ugly paperweight. I ran into this when I tried downloading their desktop editing software. It completely does not open on my computer. It just flat out doesn't work. Thankfully though, the iPhone app still works for my phone. So it is a little clunky. Sometimes it'll disconnect randomly, but I am able to connect long enough to it to wirelessly transfer all of the photos and videos off of the Gear onto my phone. Now, here's where things don't work so great. So because of the lack of support, you're not actually able to edit any of the things that come off of this thing. So you'll need a third-party software to do the stitching for you. So I've had success with the app Reshoot 360. It is a paid app. You do need to pay, I believe I'm paying right now, $2.99 a month to use their services, but it does a pretty good job. It stitches all my videos for me, and it's been working out. The stitch line is a little wonky. I'm not sure if that's because of the Gear itself or if it's because of the way it's communicating through the app. I'm not really sure, but the stitch line can become very evident in a lot of your videos. If 360 videos are just going to be something that you're going to interlace throughout like a 6-minute video, and maybe you're going to add 20 or 30 seconds of 360, I think it could work for you in that capacity. But again, that's going to be something you'll have to decide for yourself. Put it out in front of you, record all around you, and get some really interesting looking shots.